Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Market Insights here on Kalkine TV. I'm Rachel. Today we'll be shining some light on Woodside, Santos, Ampol shares after the OPEC Plus decision. Now, the Organisation of Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies, collectively known as OPEC Plus, agreed on the 2nd of February to boost the crude oil production quota for the 8th consecutive month. And that's amid ongoing tight supplies and skyrocketing oil prices. The world is facing a crude oil supply crunch as leading oil producers struggle to keep up their production due to underinvestment and the ongoing political unrest between the US and Russia over Ukraine issues. Sticking to its original plan of gradually enhancing production, the cartel has agreed to pump up the output by an additional 400,000 barrels per day in March. At the end of December 2021, oil production was nearly 824,000 barrels per day, lower than its target as OPEC's Joint Technical Committee estimates. According to the International Energy Agency data, OPEC Plus increased the output by 250,000 barrels per day in December on account of lower than anticipated production across Angola, Nigeria, Malaysia and Russia. However, on a broader scale, the cartel's plan to gradually increase the output helped the crude oil regain its worth. Oil prices reached 7-year highs in January, with Brent crude surpassing the $90 per barrel mark. With this backdrop, let's take a look at the performance of 3 ASX-listed oil players. Firstly, Woodside Petroleum. They've decided to withdraw their interest in Myanmar. The company holds a 40% participating interest in the A6 joint venture and AD1 and AD8 exploration permits. On the 16th of December 2021, the company announced that its proposed acquisition of BHP Petroleum was not opposed by the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission. Moving on, and Santos has posted record numbers across metrics, sales revenue, annual production, and also free cash flow in the fourth quarter, and that ended December 2021. The company delivered a record yearly production of 92.1 million barrels of oil equivalent and 6.4 million liquefied natural gas sales in 2021. In December, the company announced that the merger of Oil Search and Santos was affected by a scheme of arrangement under the PNG law implemented on the 17th of December. In January, Ampol provided an update on the performance of its Lighton refinery for the fourth quarter of 2021. The Lighton refiner margin was $11.24 per barrel, significantly higher than the third quarter margin of $6.76 per barrel. Additionally, refinery production was also vital for the period. In December, Ampol announced the sale of 20 core freehold convenience retail sites to Charter Hall Retail REIT. Oil and gas players across the globe have been benefiting from the ongoing oil rally, underpinned by a supply shortage and political unrest in the world's leading economies. Well, that's all for now. We'll be back again with the exclusive Hot Performer Show. Till then, keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market updates and related insights. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.